Hello there everyone, and thank you for joining us. We are the Family Lab, and we want to show you how to recreate some scientific experiments in the comfort of your own home. My name is Dav, and I will be doing the experiment today, Amazing Marshmallows, as provided by the Institute of Physics.
You will need the following: a bag of marshmallows, try not to eat them all at once, a clear glass bottle. It's very important that it's glass, so ask one of your parents to see if they've got any in the recycling. You will also need a wine vacuum pump. This is made of 2 parts, the seal to put on top of the bottle and the pump which will help take air out of the bottle. You might also wish to have some oil handy, as that will help you get the marshmallows in the bottle, and or a skewer, which will also help potentially get marshmallows in the bottle. So the first thing you'll need to do with the empty bottle is to put marshmallows in it. It's often easier to get big marshmallows and tear them in half and then put them in the bottle. Keep going, filling the bottle with marshmallows until it's around 2/3 to 3/4 full. Sometimes the marshmallows get quite sticky in the neck of the bottle, so if you're struggling to get more marshmallows in, you can use the oil and grease up the neck of the bottle to help the marshmallows get in. You can also use the skewer to try and push them in as well. Once you have done this, put the seal on top of the wine bottle, making sure that there are no air gaps. And you're ready to go. So we'll now be using the pump to take air out of the bottle and see what happens to the marshmallows. So using the pump, place this on top of the seal, get an adult to help you do this, to do it safely, and use the pump to take air out of the bottle. See what's happening to the marshmallows here? Once it becomes difficult to pump, take the pump off and have a look at what's happened to the marshmallows. See how they're crowding the bottle now and look so much bigger. Now open the seal on top of the bottle to see what happens to the marshmallows. See how they rapidly shrink? Let's see that again.
So why does this happen? Well, marshmallows are a fun, sweet family treat. In fact, they're also very light. They are mainly made up of air and have lots of air cavities. When we put the marshmallows into the bottle, what we're basically doing is we've got marshmallows and they're surrounded by air at a standard air pressure. What I mean by that is that the air in the bottle and the particles within it are putting a pressure on the marshmallows. When we use the pump to pump the air out of the bottle, that means there's less air particles and there is less pressure surrounding the marshmallows. Because there is less pressure, that means the air in the marshmallows can expand because they haven't got as much opposing force from the air around it. So that's why you see them expand. Now, when I release this seal, because we've got low air pressure in the bottle, air comes rushing back in, thus increasing the pressure around the marshmallows again. So they revert back to their original shape because of that reapplied pressure. And that's why they go smaller. If you don't understand the science behind this, don't worry, just have some fun doing this experiment with your friends and family. Thank you very much for listening.